All of the DJs surely have taken a lesson. Start talking trash and I'll come with my Smith & Wesson. A little competition comes my way, but about it always winds up the same. But the stone that the builder refused shall be the cornerstone. Oh, but there ain't nothing wrong, ain't nothing right, and still I sit and lie awake all night. Oh, all of the DJs surely have taken a lesson. Try talking trash and I'll come with my Smith & Wesson. DJs come with enough styling. When I bust my lyrics, we all know it's wicked and wily. Ain't nothing wrong, ain't nothing right, and still I sit and lie awake all night. Oh, you're gonna be trapped with the cat if you won't walk with me. I'm bound to come down with the new style. Rock and roll dub known as reggae music. Gonna calm down with the new lyrics, cause it just ain't no thing. Oh, I said it's been a real long time. Oh, but there ain't nothing wrong, ain't nothing right, and still I sit and lie awake all night. Oh, yeah. But don't blender, I know I mix up, so I am one DJ with enough flavor. Because hear my dub, hear my dub down DJ. Long average grilled cheese, I mean it. I am Jamaican, but I ain't no freak. I cut the man, with the tempo. Ghost Rider, we call it Ghost Rider. Every time we see them, you fulfill the danger. Ain't nothing wrong, ain't nothing right, and still I sit and lie awake all night. Oh, Dreddy got a job to do, and we might fulfill his mission. To see his pain would be his greatest ambition. But we will survive in this world of competition. Truly gods and our ammunition. Boom, 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 boom. Go, 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 go. I won't wait so long. I said I won't wait so long for you. Oh, oh, yeah. Hard to get Stop your messing around. Better think of your future. Time will straighten right out. Or you'll wind up in jail.
identikata sasa.
smoking herb is a crime. If they catch you smoking, they're bound to drop the dime. Insufferable, informal, crazy fools wait with their fingers crossed for you to break the rules. And in the evening, we try to jam. We like your music loud in this here band. We let the bass line drop as loud as we can stand. Somebody always gotta turn informer for the man. I wanna know right now, is there one of you in the crowd? Are you gonna call now?